Yes. Can you see the screen? My screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, it is right now full black. Full black slideshow is going to start. As you know, this is your moral science. You also tell it values of life or MS. First of all, we are going with textbook introduction. Here you can see the picture of our textbook as well as index. In index, there are 16 units. Out of them, we will continue with 1 to 8, means 8 unit in first sem and next in the second sem. Now we are moving toward text. Our chapters are God, my life, my strength. How God is our life and how it provides us strength. We will discuss in this chapter. Next, see it through. Honor your parents. Manners, a character certificate. Service is sacred. Confidence and taken care of. Fruits of a smile. These are the units we are going to discuss in this semester. Firstly, we are going with God, my life, my strength. Firstly, at the beginning of the sentence, there is a line. God warms his hand at man's heart when he prays. When we pray to God, He always warms His hands over us. Means He is always with us. He always helps us. It is according to John Maspero. This is the first line of your unit. Now, first paragraph of the chapter. Who will read? Okay, no problem, I will read. God created us from nothingness.
Sir, I
He
read.
made. Okay, continue.
God created us from nothingness. He made us out of love. His purpose of our creation is for us to know Him and to love Him. After creating us, He did not. Sir, what is written here?
Where after creating us, He did not abandon us. He did not
He is
abandon.
with
Hmm.
He is with us when we sit, walk, study, and whatever we do. He guards us whatever we go. He cares for us like a father. His eyes are always upon us. In short, we cannot
Escape.
not escape from the hands of God because He is always with us.
Yeah, as we know, God created us. How? He made us from love. It is love. The main purpose of our creation is to know Him and to love Him. Means God has created us from love, and His purpose is that we know the God, we love our God. After creating us, He did not abandon us. Means after creating, He didn't left us. He is always with us. Whenever we are sitting, walking, studying, playing, or whatever we are doing, God is always with us. He guards us wherever we go. Sometimes we think, I was going to meet an accident, but I was saved. How? Because of God. He is always with us. He cares us like our Father. Yes, our Father cares us. He looks after us. Similarly, God also cares us. The main difference is we can see our Father, but we cannot see the God. His eyes are always upon us, eyes of God. Means God is always watching us. What we are doing. Suppose we think that here I am alone, no one is there. No, that is not true. God is there. God is everywhere. And He always watches us. In short, we cannot escape from the hands of God because He is always with us. God is always with us like our shadow. We cannot escape from Him. This is where God is. In this paragraph, the main thing is God created us from love to know Him and love Him. After this, He didn't leave us. He is always with us, whatever we are doing, wherever we are. He also guards us like our Father. This is the heart of the paragraph. Then, yes, now one who want to read, no one will switch on mic. You can only write in comments. From comments, I will say, Ashnani Honey,
Yes, sir.
continue better.
Okay, sir. One day, a teacher wanted to test her student, so she gave them a munch each and said, "Find a place where there is no one else, only then eat the
Munch.
munch." Science students
Since,
like
since,
since
beta.
the since the students like munch so dearly. They
They
wanted
wanted
to eat it as fast as
possible.
possible. So all of them went off in different directions to find a suitable corner to eat the munch, except Shyam. All the other returned with a great smile of sir, what is this?
Satisfaction.
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 Siam
Very good.
held the munch and moved from one place to another, one corner to another.
Very good. Here, a teacher tried to take a taste of his student. Here, teacher gave all the students a munch. Munch is one chocolate, as perhaps you eat and like. And also said, find a place, means wherever you are alone, what I have just told. Where there is no one can see you. At that place, you can eat. Everyone, means each of the students, went in different direction and find different places where no one can see them. Only Shyam, he was one who returned back without eating. He was not satisfied. So teacher asked, when he returned back to teacher, he was moving from one to other corner. But at every place he found someone is watching him. Now someone means who? Because no one is everywhere. There are so many places where we cannot see anybody. So every student of the class ate the munch, but Shyam did not. Now next paragraph, who will read? Write in comments only.
Sir, can I
Teacher,
read?
Patel Anupriya.
Yes, sir.
I
The
will
teacher,
speak just a minute. I will announce the name from comments only. No one will switch on mic until I say. Okay? Continue. The teacher,
the teacher called Siam and asked, "Why have not you eaten your much? Don't you like it? I went to many secluded places, but I could feel the great presence of my God everywhere. So I could not eat, even though I love to eat, replied Shyam. The teacher was happy to get such an answer from Shyam. Excitedly, she wanted to teach the
actually,
lesson that God is present everywhere.
yes. When Sam returned back without eating his munch, means his chocolate. So, teacher asked him, why didn't you eat your chocolate? Don't you like it? So, Sam replied, I went everywhere. I tried to find a place where no one can see me. But at every place, I found that God is watching me. So, I did not eat my chocolate. This way, the teacher, whatever the want to teach her student, the answer was given by Syam. It means God is present everywhere. There is no place on the globe, on this earth, where we cannot see the God. It means we are never alone. God is always with us. God is always watching us. God is everywhere. Now, who is ready to read?
Sir, can I read?
Don't switch on mic. Matravadiya Vasu.
Yes, teacher. Yes, sir.
Okay, continue better.
Yes, God is present in every minute. Think we are en-
Envelope.
enveloped by air, but
Just a minute, it is going to present. Because of net speed is quite low. Yeah, just a minute, I think it is changed. Yes, continue better.
yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay,
God
from the
is
beginning.
present in thing. We are enveloped enveloped by air, but we cannot see it. We cannot hold sunlight, but we can feel it. The presence of
Presence.
God in our lives also like air and sunlight. We can feel the loving presence of our God, but we cannot see Him, touch
Touch
Him,
him.
or experience Him. If we go high up in the sky, God is there. If we go deep down, He is there. He is above us, below us, and around us. We are guided and shielded by God. So we are secure in the hands of the Almighty.
Very good. By this, we can see God is present everywhere. In every minute thing, means small thing. We all are enveloped by air. Yes, our surroundings, we can feel the air, but we cannot see it. We can see sunlight, we cannot hold it. We can feel it. Thus, we can feel the presence of God in our life, like air and sunlight. But we cannot see the God. We can only experience Him. Wherever we go, above us, below us, surrounding us, God is everywhere. If we go high, God is there. Down, God is there. Surrounding, God is there. Means wherever we go, God has covered up like an envelope. And He is protecting us like a guard, and also prepare a shield from Him. Thus, we all are secure in the hands of God. Next, we will read next slide. धारी वाला महक.
Yes, sir.
Continue, beta.
Yes. Many times we wonder why He makes us go through bad and tough times or allows us to experience failures. The only answer is God knows what is good for us. He is a beautiful plan for us, not for distress, but for our God. He gives us what is
Adversities,
advice
adversities.
and reactions so that we can learn, grow, and gain strength. We should just place our faith and trust in Him, who is our life and our strength.
Many times we wonder why God has created us, why God has made us. He had given us bad time, He had given us tough time, or we said, my luck is not good. But by this, God allow us to have an experience of failure. Because if we taste failure at that time only, we can value what is success. If we face trouble, bad times, at that time, we can value our goal, our fruit, or our success. God knows what is good for us, and according to it, He plays His role. He plans for us. Sometimes we think God has not made me success, but it is for something best or better for us. God always gives us adversities and restrictions. Why? Because of this bad times, we can learn how to grow, how to gain strength. We should just place our faith and trust in Him. We always trust God. We should always trust God and faith on Him. Because God is our life, our strength. Whenever we cannot get the help from anywhere at that time, we have only one God who is always with us. So we should respect Him and we should trust Him. We should feel His love. Now, next we will read. Write in comments only. Yes, Chandani RV.
My child.
Other switch off mic.
Yes.
Yes, RV. Continue. These are only 4 lines of a
When
poem.
we feel battered by life's storms and you are filled with doubt and dismay, just remember God's role in coming for its blessing. You have to only
When we feel battered by life's storms, sometimes as we have just discussed, there are many difficulties, troubles, or bad time in our life. Sometimes we feel we have a doubt over someone related to us as well as God. And we dismay, means disappointed, that why God has created this to me. But at that time, just remember only God's rainbow is coming. When God has taken something from us, it means He is making some more place to provide us better or more. So don't worry that or don't be dismayed or disappointed. For blessing of God, we need to pray. We need to ask. As we see, God is our Father. When we ask our Father, He never refuses. Similarly, God is also our Father. So we need His blessing, and for that we need to pray God. We need to remember Him. Next paragraph, we will read Gadvi Viraj.
Yes, sir.
Yes, your slide is just coming on your screen. Yes, it has come.
Yes.
When it be present, start to read. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Just continue.
God is our Father and He takes care of us. He will never abandon us.
Abdhan,
When we face difficulties, when we don't succeed, when we are punished, we naturally wonder if God is really there with us. Doubts fill our mind and we lose our faith in God. We feel God has forgotten us.
very good. As we have just discussed, God is our Father. And as our Father looks after us, takes care of us, God also takes care of us. He never leaves us alone. Sometimes we feel that we are alone, no one is helping me. But God is always us, He is always helping us. When we face difficulties, sometimes we don't succeed. Sometimes we are punished from our parents, teachers, or someone else. We naturally wonder, is God is really with us or not? Why I was punished? And these kinds of doubts fills our mind, and thus we lost the faith in God. But never lost the faith in God. God is always with us. When He is giving us trouble at that time, means He wants to teach us something. So God has never forgotten us. We should feel very good. Before going to next, I think it is time to attend